Welcome to today's episode of Afro Scientific Spirituality. My name is Ife West. If this is your first time on the channel, you are highly welcome. This is a place where we separate the facts from the fiction, the science from the superstitions, and the concepts from the misconceptions about African spirituality. Today, I'll be talking about a very simple and powerful spell that you can do to bring favor into your life, to increase your spiritual perception, and just to feel good about yourself. Or if you want to raise your self-esteem, or you want to do a sort of return to sender spell, it is very easy to do. This is something that you can do with the spiritual perfume called Dan Duala perfume. I have talked about this perfume before in a previous video, and it's a very good perfume. It's a powerful perfume, but many people are sort of underestimating it. But I want to bring it again to this knowledge of you people, especially my new subscribers. This is something that you need to be using. It's something that you will find in spa, in Ayurvedic medicine. It has a very good smelling flavor, and it is long lasting, and it has this function or these characteristics of elevating your spirits. It's something that it can change your mood from a depressing mood, can change it to a very happy or elated mood, or it can change your situation. It is something that we use spiritually to ward off negativity, to ward off evil, and to attract good spirits into your life, attract a positive influence to your life. It is something that is made of resins from plants. It is something that is very good. You need to get this perfume to actually know what I'm talking about. I don't know the people that manufacture it. I am not advertising it for them. But if I see something good, I like to talk about it. Something that can help people, that will actually change your situation, that I know actually works well in this spiritual field that we are in. There are so many things that are here, not many things work effectively. Some of them are just stories, some of them are fake, some of them are just unnecessary hypes. But this perfume is one thing that is very good, and it's something that you can easily fall in love with because of the smell. I normally use this perfume to bath. I use it for spiritual bath. I add it to bathing water. It makes the place scent very well. When you use it to take baths, you scent very nice. Your bathroom is smelling very nice, and you feel good about yourself. It's something like that will raise your mood, especially you put it in hot water. You use it to take your bath. Wow, you're going to feel like you are in cloud 9. This is the feeling of this little bottle you are looking at here. So it's something that you need to try out, and we use it for return to sender as well. Okay, if you want to use it for return to sender, or to neutralize any kind of negativity, negative vibration, you want to neutralize it, what we can mix it with, ground garlic. You can grind some white garlic and mix it with it. Use it to add to your bath water, or you can use it to mix with some sea salt as well. It goes well with sea salt, it goes well with salt, it goes well with garlic, and you can actually use it to bathe. It actually cleans your body, purifies your haru, and chases away negative entities from you. So if you are somebody that is having problem of maybe hard luck or hardship, difficulty, this is also something you can try. Okay, why I am talking about all these things here is that we have different kind of people living in different places. Some people might have the solution to something very easily in their neighborhood. You will not have these other items. If you are in some place that you can have access to this perfume, you should use it. Okay, there are some parts of the world they don't have it there. I've been to some countries, even some part of Nigeria, you cannot find this perfume there. You find it in Lagos, you cannot find it in Delta State. It happens like that. But if you are in somewhere you can find this perfume, you should use it. Okay, so why I talk about so many remedies on this channel for different things, especially washing of causes of negativity. The reason I talk about all this is that if you don't have some items for certain solutions, in your place or your locality, you can always find other items that you can use that you can easily get access to. Okay, this is why I keep talking about use this and this for this problem. If you don't have access to it, or you don't have money to buy those materials, you don't have access to those herbs, there are other things you can also use in place to solve the same problem. Okay, so they say variety is the spice of life, and it's not only one route we can always use to get a solution. So this is another way again for people that are having issues. You should try this oil. This oil is a very good oil. I've actually tried, and I love the oil. It's something that I love using, and I can never get enough of it. So you can get it, this Dan Duala oil, buy the original one. Once you smell it, it scents very, very nice, very, very powerful, very good aroma. You can use it for aromatherapy. It's excellent. Get it, mix it with your hot water when you want to take your bath, and you will see what I am talking about. Okay, so this is what I have for you for this video. Questions or comments are welcome. Please like and share my videos, subscribe to the channel. We need to get to as much people as possible, so please help me to share my videos. Don't just watch it then keep it to yourself. Try to share so that more people can know about African spirituality. More people can get access to these remedies, and they can use it to uplift and empower themselves as well. We need to move forward, and we need to move as a collective. So please try to support African businesses. Anything that you believe in, you support it. If you like my channels, you like my videos, the things I'm doing here, help me to also grow, support, and show your concern to tell people about the channel, so that we can try to rediscover ourselves and move forward. The world is changing now, and Africa is trying to wake up again. We can be able to wake up and be who we are supposed to be by tapping into our African spirituality, by empowering ourselves, by believing in ourselves, by patronizing our businesses and our products, by making a very powerful network and connection. This is the only way we can grow and consolidate our position in this world. So please try to share videos, or try to do your own thing. If you have any particular talent, things you are doing, try to start doing your thing and express yourself. It's our time now, so we need to take the initiative. And if you are interested in learning about African spirituality, I have always said it on this channel, I teach the subject. This is the purpose of this channel. I teach African spirituality and history from a scientific perspective. I have a lot of facts and evidence to show you the validity of African spirituality. I teach ancient African history that they don't teach in our universities and schools in Africa. This is the stuff I teach here. The knowledge I teach here are the things that they have decided, the Western world has decided to hide from us. These are the stuff that they teach to their own children in their secret societies. When you hear of their skulls and bones, Client Templars, Rosicrucian, Freemason, all those secret societies that they claim they have, the secret there is your African history that they have decided to hide from you. That is their great secret. That is their mighty secret. The aim and the purpose of those secret societies is to make sure that you don't know your African history. You don't know who you are as an African. You don't know the truth about this world. This is the reason why those secret societies were formed. Okay? Those stuff they teach inside there is the same stuff I will teach you as an African on my program, so that you will know who you are, you will know what they are hiding, you will know how to think, you will know how to start behaving, how to start acting, how to start taking back control of your life. This is the stuff I teach on my program, okay? So I'm going to teach you that for a very fair price. I will teach you, I will give you access to a lot of information that will empower you and uplift and upgrade your spirituality. So register for my program. My website is River of Knowledge. Okay, you see it every day on the screen, River of Knowledge. Come and swim and dive with us, and a trial will convince you your life will never be the same again. This is a place you need to be now. If you have to be anywhere, if you want to learn any sort of spirituality, this is the one you need to learn. This is the mother of all spirituality. I practice Kemetic spirituality. Okay, this is where you need to be. This is where you're going to get an holistic understanding of all other spiritual system in the world. This is where you'll be able to understand. When you go straight to the root of the tree, the deepest source, from there you can easily understand Hinduism, Buddhism, they are so-called Christian, Islam. You will know where all these things originate from. Okay, so you will understand what is going on. This is the knowledge I offer you on this channel. So register for my program, don't delay. And if you feel that you are still scared, or you don't have the resources, you don't want to make up your mind yet, my book is here. I wrote this book, Quantum Physics and African Spirituality, to explain to you the same thing. I have been able to summarize it and bring it in a very concise version with lots of scientific etymological evidence to prove again beyond reasonable doubt the validity of what I'm talking about. You can buy this book for just $25. The e-copy is here waiting for you. For those people that have been watching me, peeping me, you have the knowledge in front of you now. I don't know what is holding you back. I don't know why you are still speculating. I don't know why you are still dragging your feet. The stuff you are looking for is right here. Are you going to take the initiative, or are you going to keep looking? Did you come to life to look, or you come to life to live life, or you come to life to discover who you are? So this decision is on you. They need the best person to learn. Know your way, not because. Okay, get sense, not because. Know thyself from the temple of hateful. Know thyself. Also at the oracle of Delphi. Know thyself. Know your way, not because, not be insult. Now advice. So I don't know when you go to radio, but time not the every day people they hold, they break or go they strong. So I don't talk my own for this video, and I believe that somebody is listening. So apart from that, I wish you guys a wonderful day, and I'll be seeing you in the next video as usual. If you want to do your spell work, love spell, breakup, hexes, packs, open doors, the whole 9 yards, oracle reading, my number is still here on the screen. Apart from that, I wish you a very wonderful day, and I'll be seeing you in the next video as usual. So take care and bye. Peace.